Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add baggage to your Cebu Pacific international flight. So perfect if you forgot to include it during booking. So first, you just have to go to Cebu Pacific website. Okay, so let me just type out right there. That's right. Okay, and then after that, you just have to click on the manage option at the top and then tap on the manage booking. So this is where you can update your flight details anytime before departure. Okay, so you can enter your booking reference number and the last name. And once you logged in, you'll see your international flight itinerary and available add-ons. So once you're inside that section, so since we don't have any flight yet, but still, you just have to click on the add-ons or baggage option and then choose your preferred baggage rate. Common options include 20, 25, or even higher depending on your route. Then after selecting your baggage, just click on continue and proceed to payment. And you can use credit, debit cards, e-wallets, or online banking. And once the payment is successful, your baggage will be added to your booking and you'll receive a confirmation email. So make sure to double check your updated itinerary. So for international flights, you can add baggage at least 2 hours before departure, and each checked bag must not exceed 32 kilograms per piece. So it's much cheaper to add baggage online than at the airport. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.